I got it.
Okay.
It's on video.
Okay.
These are the steps of how to make popcorn.
First you open up the box.
Psych.
Oh, it's not on video? Okay.
Really, open up the box. Put it back this way.
Hold on.
The stinks are charcoal skaters were there. Awesome, man.
It's you. Open the box.
Refreshing food.
And when you take out the wrapper, and you open it, I'm going to remove this plastic wrap. Just lay it down. You open up the microwave. You put it in, and you press 220.
You press D20.
And there's your popcorn.
And
the enter. Oh, little buggers, gourmet popcorn corn. Popping corn. Sorry, not corn. Popping and topping. Buttery flavor, popcorn oil. Only 120 calories. I cannot have that much. No, I'm just joking. Okay. So then we use the movie night popcorn containers. Very good. Very handy. And they break easily. Yeah. Okay. So the next step is wait till your fucking popcorn's done, and then take it out, open it, and put it in these. Okay, I'll show you that later. 1 second. I have a minute left, guys. Show the viewers the other snack that we have down here. Defrosted. Okay, well the other snack defrosted, so we can't show you that today. But we do have some Bacardi Blanca and some Oh, I got one for you. Smirnoff vodka and Jaggermeyer Croucher liquor. 50 milliliters. Vodka. And then some, let's see what else.
Movie night cup.
There's some raspberry syrup. It's very good. Hold on, Austin.
I asked raspberry syrup. In the bottle.
Go like this.
It's not really raspberry syrup, guys.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Then, since our popcorn is almost done, shoot. Okay, take your cup. Okay, we go around like this.
What?
Like what you do in a wedding thingy. Okay, you go around.
Oh.
Enjoy!
Well, that looks good.
Yum. Oh, the popcorn's done! Okay, now like I was saying, you take those, you open it up. Ow! It burns you! But anyways, you open it up, you put it in here, just like I freaking said, and then you put some of this on, maybe even some raspberry syrup if you want some, you know, if you're crazy like me, you know. Okay, but anyways, so you don't burn yourself, again, like I've done 3 times today. Yeah. Yeah, you go like this. And it spills all over the outside. Spills all over. Get that on film. Spills all over.
Spills all over.
Okay.
That's good popcorn.
And this will be Austin's popcorn.
What?
Yes. And the rest of the bag will be yours. You add a little bit.
More like a lot.
More like a lot. And you get the excess popcorn that's on the rim. But the seeds are really hot, so don't touch them. They really,
Ah!
they really hurt. They really, really hurt.
Pick up that burning seed, Tyler.
What?
Pick up the seed that burns.
Yeah, like I said, they're really hot. Yeah. But anyways, here's some more seeds that we will here, get this on film. See the seeds we shall. And then one last one. Okay, but Austin, there's your popcorn. Where's the popcorn, dude? Austin, here's the popcorn. Take the popcorn!
Wait, jeez. Holy crap.
Do you want me to end the video now?